Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is actually the first video that I have ever posted on YouTube. Anyway, we are reviewing the Top Yo Faceless. And I first discovered this yo-yo when I was scrolling on YouTube when I saw a video from Junyi Lin. It was a freestyle practice and it showed this yo-yo, this exact yo-yo, and the yo-yo's performance really shocked me because it's for a plastic yo-yo it was surprisingly good as shown in the video. And now we're gonna test it and I'm gonna be reviewing it today as shown in the title of the video. And for further announcements, I'm gonna upload more on this channel, like trick tutorials, more yo-yo reviews, and I really hope you guys really like it. And without further ado, let's jump straight ahead to the review. This yo-yo is very powerful. Whenever you throw it, it feels like, it doesn't even feel like you're throwing a brick nor a feather. It feels just right for me, and it's very stable whenever you do those tricks, rejection tricks, tech tricks. High-speed tricks, you name it. It's very stable for those kinds of things. And the plus side, it spins for a very long time. And plus, it's plastic, so when you hit yourself in the face or anywhere in the body, it is much more forgiving than if you were to hit yourself with a metal yo-yo. Okay, so for the grinds on this yo-yo is very good and they're very smooth. When I try to do grind binds, they are really good, but I can't do it for too long or else the yo-yo will eventually just die out. For finger spins, it's really a 50-50 because if you directly land the yo-yo on the dimple, it's all good. But if you don't, the yo-yo spins off the dimple and goes all over the face of the yo-yo, ruining the finger spin. I got this yo-yo, it was kind of vibey. It was fresh out of the box and it was kind of vibey, and I think that's what really ruins the finger spins. For binds and regens, I put them in the same part because you can't do regens without binds. Okay, and so before you ask, I'm using OTS fat string just for your information. And the binds in this are really good, and whenever it turns to my yo-yo, it's really tight, which means it's ready for the next throw without having to throw it and just do a bind again. So you don't have to waste time trying to do a proper bind. And whenever I bind, it's not slippy at all whenever I try to do those complicated binds like ghost bind, slap bind, and laceration binds. For regens, they're a bit snaggy, but maybe that's because of the size of the string that I'm using. So if you use a bit thinner string, it might be easier and less snaggy when doing regens. But over regens are really good for this yo-yo. Okay, so for versatility, this yo-yo is pretty versatile, honestly. For those horizontal tricks, it's really good. Horizontal speed tricks, it's really good because it remains stable whenever you're trying to do horizontal. And for those high-speed Godspeed tricks, honestly very versatile too, and it doesn't lose that much spin either. For those over-the-head hop tricks, hell yeah, they're very good. Since this yo-yo is very wide, it's really good for the combos and those over-the-head combos, those neck combos, Eli hop combos, laceration combos, you name it, all of the above. It's very versatile for all of those, and since this yo-yo is lightweight, it's pretty damn fast. It's the end of our yo-yo review. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I'll be posting more yo-yo reviews and yo-yo trick tutorials in the near future. Appreciate it if you guys drop a like and subscribe to my channel and commented, and yeah, see you in the next video.